Ever wondered how a simple cucumber drink with a twist could revolutionize your health habits? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery. We're talking about a refreshing cucumber drink, infused with lemon, sweetened with agave or honey, and spiced up with cayenne pepper. This elixir is not just a thirst quencher, but also a potential powerhouse of health benefits. Imagine a glass of cool cucumber drink that helps in hydration, skin health, and even weight loss. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But it's not. It's a reality that you can easily create in your kitchen. So, how do we make this magical drink? Start by grabbing a fresh cucumber. Wash it thoroughly and cut it into thin slices. No need to peel, the skin has a lot of the good stuff. Next, squeeze the juice of a lemon into the mix. Lemon acts as a natural detoxifier and gives the drink a tangy twist. Now it's time to sweeten things up. Add a spoonful of agave or honey. Both are natural sweeteners, so choose what suits your palate. Remember, the purpose is not just to sweeten the drink, but also to benefit from the natural properties of these sweeteners. The final touch is a sprinkle of cayenne pepper. This might sound unusual, but trust me, it's the game changer. Cayenne pepper is known for its potential to boost metabolism and aid in digestion. Mix all these ingredients in a blender until smooth. Pour it into a glass, add some ice if you prefer, and voila, your health-boosting cucumber drink is ready. But don't just take my word for it, give it a try. Explore the taste and potential benefits for yourself. Create the drink, savor it, and then share your experience. Remember, your health is your wealth, and sometimes the secrets to health are hidden in the simplest of ingredients, so go ahead and unlock this secret. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Let's spread the word about this cucumber elixir and help everyone unlock the benefits. Here's to a healthier you.